Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Meyson. So yesterday I got my hands on a Canon 85 1.2 lens, and it is the same lens that Irene Rudnyk shoots with, and I was like, you know, why don't I just do a shoot like Irene Rudnyk? It's not close, but you know, she uses an 85mm 1.2, and I also, like I said, got my hands on the lens. Then I got a 5D Mark IV, and I decided, you know, to just make the show happen. So I hope you guys enjoy today's behind the scenes. So guys, for today's shoot, like I said, I used the 85mm 1.2, the Canon 85 1.2. I think Canon is the only camera manufacturer that has that lens, I think. I'm not sure, so don't hold me to that. Anyways, so I think Canon is the only company that makes that, and it is just a fantastic lens. Like, this lens is sweet. Now, the copy I had some odd focusing issues, and I still had to use it like that. I shot with the Canon 5D Mark IV, and the whole idea was to get images similar to what Irene would get, because some days ago I watched her shoots and I love her images. Like, she just makes, like, she takes fantastic pictures. Now, if you don't know Irene Rudnyk, you should definitely check out. I'll put a link in the description to her YouTube page. Not like she needs it, because she has like a ton of subscribers, but you guys should definitely check out her work. I feel like you will learn a lot from following her and seeing how she shoots and all those things. So yeah, we went out to shoot at a particular location, but they didn't let us shoot there, which is Lekki Conservation Center in Lagos. They said we should pay some ridiculous amount to shoot behind the scenes of doing a photo shoot, so we had to come back to the house, come back to the yard and shoot here. So the only place that we had that had green leaves or like green scenery and the house was just a banana tree close to, you know, at the side of the house, so we had to use that for the photo shoot. It was pretty stressful because I wish I had, you know, more greens to play with like Irene Rudnyk does. If you check out her images, there's always this like lush of green leaves and flowers and all that. So since I didn't have that, I just had to use what I had and, you know, make the best of it. So at 1.2, it really does not matter at the end of the day, because I was able to blur out the background and make it look pretty good and pretty sweet. Also, the light was kind of falling on our subject the wrong way. Since that was the only place we had to use, we could not switch and shoot our subject backlit because of where the light was coming from. So I had to put it at the side of a tree, and the tree blocked the light, and it was just fine, and it worked perfectly at that point. Yeah, and it just goes to show that you really do not have to have the best of everything, except the Canon 85 1.2. If you can afford it and it works for you, and it's the kind of lens that you use for your portraits and all that, then definitely get it. It's a fantastic lens. I miss Canon a lot, and the color science is just fantastic. Anyways, that was the shoot. I shot at f1.2 all through. Sometimes I moved my ISO up, I brought it down. Sometimes I moved my shutter speed up and brought it down. You obviously cannot control the sun, so it's just gonna like keep going up and down. And that was what we did for the shoot. I'm gonna put the images on the screen so you guys can see them, and also put the settings that I used. And like I said, I put my subject beside the tree. The tree blocked the light, and it's always good to shoot in shade, and that was literally the only shade we had for the location that we were trying to shoot in. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to comment below. Let me know what you think about today's video. Hopefully I'll make a video retouching some of these images and show them to you guys if we get this video to 5,000 views, like I said with the last one. But that retouching video is still coming. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.